So hello and welcome back. So far we have mounted our motor mounts, motors, wheels, battery, and battery cover. So today we will mount the caster wheels to our new Flowerbot lower chassis. So if you flip the robot over, what you will see is that you have front and back caster labeled here. So what you're going to do is you're going to attach the caster wheels, and then you're going to use the screws to go through this side and attach it here. So then when you flip it over, you drop a lock washer here, and you drop a lock washer on this one, and then you put the washer on top, like so. And these are all 3mm washers, lock washers, and screws. And then you tighten it down. Okay, so here is what it looks like from the top with our first caster wheel connected. And now we're going to connect the second one. So I flip this over. And there we are with our front and back caster wheels.